So today we are going to draw on Skylar's weenus. It's nice. See that weenus? It's sexy. Look at that. Oh yeah.
I should have drawn Bob on it.
So I'm gonna draw like a big hairy penis now. So Ben, you want to videotape this? You can hold it.
Yeah, sure, man.
Here, zoom on the weenus. On the weenus. The weenus. Are you on the weenus?
I'm on the weenus.
Good. Let's color in. You got like weenus problems? She has a big weenus, doesn't she?
Oh yeah.
Here, bend your weenus. Bend your weenus. Okay. So here's some nice sexy eyes. You know you like those, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so here we go. Stop moving your weenus around. It's kind of gross. Yeah. Are you on the weenus?
I am on the weenus.
Skylar, did you hear that? He's on your weenus. It's kind of gross. Oh, yes, weenus. So this is Bob, for all y'all to know.
Bob what?
Bob the Mexican.
Thank you. My very pretty motor.
Very pretty motor.
My pretty motor.
So there you go. That's Bob the Mexican. He's very sexy. Oh, I'm not done yet. I forgot. I forgot to put in his,
Oh no.
his blunt. I forgot to put in his blunt. There, Bob the Mexican. In the video. You can turn it off.
Oh.
Here, hold it up. Bob the Mexican, everybody. Yeah.